A 300B is built of three simple components: the cathode, the grid, and the anode. The stem is simply just a support system for these three devices. The bulb, of course, is just the envelope that contains your vacuum. The base is just an interconnect device that connects it to the rest of the amplifier. All the other components, almost 60 parts, 60 separate components, ultimately come together to deliver a fabulous sound. Western Electric electron tubes are different than most other manufactured tubes because they were designed for lease service, meaning they were used in telephony in telephone central offices or in theaters across the world. Within the 300B itself, the technology was based in a great part on development for electron tubes for underwater sea cable use. So obviously that has to be built for ultra long life. The new Western Electric Rossville Works has been updated to 21st century standards. It's a brand new factory. We do have the original tooling, all the original documentation, clean room conditions. We have ultra pure materials. We have a regimented process of manufacturing. And this will continue the legacy, tradition of quality that we've always enjoyed at Western Electric.